Hi everyone, once again welcome back and happy Halloween. So today is my first special edition of Halloween on my channel. So I decided that you guys mostly like festivals and specials, so why not make some specials. So from today onwards I'll be doing different types of specials for each and every occasion and holiday and festivals. So yeah, anywho, this is, wait a second, let me just today I'm going to show you how to make this really pretty witch's bracelet, or you can say mermaid, but I like the witch idea because it's Halloween. So witch's star charm bracelet. This is super cool, easy and easily made, super fast bracelet, or you can say handcuff, which is super easy to make. And if you're going to a Halloween party or staying at home, this will be perfect for you all. So let's get started. It's super easy to make. So let me just switch up my hand right here, or else you'll be all distracted by the bling. Okay, so I have become a plain witch now. I'm wearing a black. This is also handmade, by the way. So anyways, let's get started. First you want to do is bead a really long string of, well, beads. So this is super easy. If you're a beginner, even you can make it. It's super easy. You just have to put some beads through the string, right? So this is how long mine is, but it's okay if you want to keep it confidential and you want it to really a little bit smaller. You can make a 1 layer, 2 layer, 3 layer. Mine is 15 layer, you guys, like literally 15 layers. Anyways, so I didn't measure it or anything, but this is just an estimation. And you're also gonna need some star charms. So these star charms are super easy to make, and I'm not gonna show you how to make it in this video because I've already made a video on how to make these star charms. You can go check out my channel if you like, or you can just keep it simple. I'm gonna show you how to make it right now. So just to make it quick, we're just gonna how to wrap it into your hand. So these star charms I'll be adding in later. Now first you want to do is, if you have any accessories on your hands, take them off. And now you want to do is take the start of the string. I've added these little hooks at the end so that it would be easy for crouching them. You can also use C-clips or hooks if you have any. So you want to do is go like so, and there. And at the back you want to do is lock and twist the hook if you're making like mine. Then you want to do is start twisting it around your arm just like so. Sorry for the lighting, you guys, by the way. It's really not the best weather right here, so the lighting is also not that much. But anywho, you wanna just keep wrapping and wrapping. Let me just wrap the whole thing and show you. Now after you wrap it, it's gonna look like this. You can also make other sort of models. You're gonna just crunch it up all together just like so, and the same thing at the end. You're gonna twist and lock your last part. And if you want to be extra secure though, you can add clips or safety pins. Next you want to do is, be careful, you guys. If you're like a kid, then please do it under adult supervision, because right here I'm 13 years old. So don't do the same mistake I do, because sometimes even I prick myself and it hurts really bad. Anyways, you're gonna find a place. You can also hook it on the hooks, or you can either go and put it around any side you like. And if you think the safety pins are a little bit harmful, then you can just take something else, like you can stitch it on or clip it on with other sorts of pins. But I think these will do just fine for right now, since it's Halloween and witches aren't the neatest and perfect of all times. Everyone knows that. though even this bracelet gives a lot of a mermaid vibe, because I would really want it to be black and brown, sort of red, but I don't have those colors of beads, so I have literally made it something like so. And it's as simple as it gets. It's even more easier than you will see on the camera, and I mean it literally. But if somebody would see you with this, they would like say like, totally, this is so cool, and compliments. So be sure to subscribe. Please subscribe and comment down below if you want more specials and videos like this, or if you want more Disney nail arts that I have learned new, Disney nail art, or any sort of other things and crafts. And please do subscribe and help me reach 1,000. And that's it for today. So we will meet next week, and be sure to anyways, so be sure to subscribe and stay creative, stay sweet. Bye bye. Oh, and happy Halloween.